Hi there, students. Vogue. Most commonly, vogue is a noun, either countable or uncountable. Something can be in vogue, or you could even just about use vogue as an adjective as well. Okay, vogue means the fashion, the style, the thing that people were wearing, the thing that people were doing. So miniskirts were the vogue in the 1960s. If something is in vogue, it's the current fashion, it's the current craze, maybe it's the current fad. And then I was looking at the difference between a vogue and a fad. And I think a vogue is much wider in society. A fad is something that everybody starts doing and then everybody stops doing again. So a fad is much more transitory than a vogue. So maybe it seems that designer face masks are in vogue at the moment. Is it a fad? No, I think it's wider. It talks about the way we are living at the moment. There is a vogue for home baking currently. I think this one's probably a fad. Everybody's decided that they're going to make bread at home. Vogue magazine shows us the latest vogues in fashion and clothes. There's clearly a growing vogue for veganism at the moment. Yes, I don't think this is a fad either. I think it's becoming more and more part of our lives. So, a vogue, a fashion, a trend, a craze, a style, the latest, trendy, something that's trending. So let's try an adjective. There are always vogue words and phrases. Here we've got it as an adjective. These are buzzwords. Buzzwords that come into fashion and then slowly go out of fashion again. So vogue words like a paradigm shift, big data, fit for purpose, logistics instead of transport, the low-hanging fruit. You need to think outside the box. Maybe rap music is in vogue at the moment. So a vogue, it talks more about the zeitgeist, the style, the fashion of a particular time. Let's see, vogue comes from French. In Middle French, vogue meant a wave in the water or the course of success. In Old French, it meant to row a boat or to set sail. And that in turn came from Old Saxon, wogon, to sway or to rock. And that again came from Proto-Indo-European. So vogue is has quite an old etymology. So next question, formality. How formal is vogue? Well, I would probably give it a 6 out of 10. I think you probably could just about use it in an informal conversation, but you might say the fashion, something that's trendy, the latest thing, yeah? Vogue definitely very good for something very formal or a very formal writing in itself. So there you are, vogue, the style that people are wearing at a particular time, the things that people are doing. So, I don't know, when I was growing up, punk rock was in vogue. Vogues change, but slowly. And remember, fads change, but a lot faster. Fad, F-A-D. So there you go. I hope my videos are in vogue. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vogue.